Hi guys, this is Ankur here again, and as I said, I'm on a short trip to Dubai Expo 2020 today. And as you all are aware, this event, the World Exhibition, the Universal Exhibition, is going to be last for 182 days, and it's going to be hosted, or it's currently it is hosted approximately 192 countries. I think all the pavilions are live today, and the day is special today because I am here in Dubai, and as I said that I am going to create 192 videos for all the pavilions in the next 6 months duration of time. I just request you all to subscribe, like this particular video. Today the objective here to give you the glimpse of approximately, again I don't know, in a day I would be able to cover 192 videos, but at least I will give you the glimpse, the selfie, I would say that, with every single pavilion here. Right now I am on a short break. It is hot. I think the weather is what, approximately 36 to 38 degrees centigrade, and I have my partner, the Kareem bike. So on this particular short break to this pavilion, I'm in a opportunity pavilion, and I can see here Colombia pavilion next to me, the Norway pavilion, the behind this this is UN, United Nations pavilion, and the bigger one is the opportunity district, or the Mission Impossible opportunity pavilion, which is a must visit. Talking about the opportunity the world possessed, or it's gonna be for the whole universe. Have a look around this particular pavilion, and keep watching me, keep following me, subscribe me to have a glimpse of all the videos, all the pavilions from all the videos today. So let's have a look of this particular opportunity pavilion. It seems quite big. Yep. Yeah, so this is, as I said, have a look. Come on. Hi everyone, standing in front of Luxembourg pavilion. You just saw UK pavilion. Next to that we have a Luxembourg pavilion. I know it was a quite long video. You have I think I tried to cover approximately 20 to 25 I would say pavilion. Long way to go, around 170 160 more pavilions to go. I know just saw the glimpse of those pavilions from the outside. So guys, I know it was quite hard for me, but I try to convey that if you're not able to visit to Expo 2020 but is still interested, if you wanted to see what's going on, how the pavilions are built in this Universal Expo, then here is my series of video for you. I request you to put across your comment, subscribe, spread the word, so that more and more people can see the series of 192 plus videos which I'm going to create over the next 6 months. Thank you. So from the hot summer day, now it is the cool evening about to start it. Right now I am on the beginning of the mobility pavilion. What you just saw a few minutes back is few of the pavilions inside. So I won't call it, it is a mobility district. And what you would see the Atif, the mobility pavilion. Inside this you will see Peru at the beginning, then you have Angola, then Expo 2020 station is also there from this, then you have Sea Plaza and the People Mover. So these are a few signboard that I see. Let's see what's there. Is it truly interesting? Keep watching, keep following me. Thank you. Alright, Ankur here guys. So I think I am on the end of Mobility Pavilion. What you see behind me is a mobility, what you call is a mobility gate. It's a really magnificent one, and I think you're gonna need only need an hour or two just to view this pavilion from the inside. Again, today have a quick look of this particular mobility pavilion. It is surrounded by what you have is behind me is Australia, right? This is opposite to mobility pavilion. Then you have what you call is Denmark, which you must have seen few seconds back. Then the one which is made by woodcut is the Sultanate of Oman, and few more before that you see Algeria, and then few more very beautiful gigantic pavilions. And thank you. So one thing I liked about this pavilion is the options that you have available for fruits and food. Yes, right. So I was hungry after a day-long trip to Dubai Expo site. I am going to take a short break. 8 France Pavilion located in Mobility District. I'm just loving this video. This is Korea. You can see the beautiful lightning work that is done under this park, which is all open. I think this park is showcasing the openness that they wanted to share with the world. It's not about the cutting edge technology, it's about the openness. So I am here in the Jubilee Park, and one good thing you know about this park is this garden. Yes, this is what you see behind me is a garden, and it is called the Garden in the Sky. I don't know it is chargeable or free of cost, but there's a circle. You can get on the circle. It's all park. It will go up, and then you can have a look of the Expo 2020 site from I think around 300 to 400 feet over. And the second thing is lots of Atif. I think this is called Atif, and these are the robos. Yes, if you have any question for them, you can go ask them, and they will not hesitate to answer your query, whether it is about where the pavilion is located, it is about the country, it is about security, or you wanted to make a SOS call. Yes, this particular robots will help you out to cover that. Thank you. So in the next few minutes you will see this garden in the sky going up. So let's wait. Yes, here it go. Wow, lightning. You can see the view of Expo 2020, all the pavilions, all the districts from this garden in the sky. A must visit place if you are visiting Expo 2020 and inside the Jubilee Park. Perfect. Few moments it's gonna come down. People are enjoying it. It's a you see. I know it is a long video, it is a long day. Now what I'm gonna do, going to capture few more pavilions at one go, so that you can have a look while waiting some of the time, spending your saving your data. Right, so the one you see in the back. Okay, let me switch back and then you can have a look. Here we go with the Uruguay. I think there's some issue here with the lightning. They should open the light. On the way back you see Argentina, the pavilion from Argentina. Then we have a Panama. Wow, Panama, showcasing their development in Jubilee Park from Expo 2020 site. We have a beautiful pavilion from Malaysia. I know it's dark, bear with me. I'm gonna create few more videos where we'll see what's there inside that particular pavilion for me. Then we have Ireland, simply super simple. The pillars, the dome. I don't know the meaning of I think it's the Ireland, which is called Ire. Okay, got it. I think it's the way it is pronounced, Ire. And then we have Hungary on the back. You might hear me back, the sound that is going on, the band that is live there. You have Venezuela as well.